नमस्कार दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे स्टोन एज। टाइम ज़ाया ना करते हुए जल्दी से स्टार्ट करते हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इसे लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब। स्टोन एज, पैलियोलिथिक और ओल्ड स्टोन एज, 5 लाख BC to 10,000 BC। In India, the Paleolithic age developed in the Pleistocene period or the Ice Age and was spread in practically all parts of India except the alluvial part of Ganga and Indus. Food gathering and hunting were the main occupations of the people of this phase. They had no knowledge of agriculture, fire, or pottery of any material. Man during this period used tools of unpolished, undressed, rough stones and lived in cave and rock shelters. They mainly used hand axes, cleavers, choppers, blades, scrapers, and burin. Their tools were made of hard rock called quartzite, hence Paleolithic men are also called quartzite men. Homo sapiens first appeared in the last phase of Paleolithic age. The Paleolithic age in India has been divided into three phases according to the nature of stone tools used by the people and also according to the nature of change in the climate: early or lower Paleolithic, middle Paleolithic and upper Paleolithic. तो फर्स्ट है हमारा द अर्ली पैलियोलिथिक एज, covers the greater part of the ice age. Its characteristic tools are hand axes, cleavers and choppers. Such tools have been found in Son and Sohan River Valley, now in Pakistan, and in the Balan Valley in the Mirzapur district of UP. In this period, climate became less humid. Second is Middle Paleolithic phase. It is characterized by the use of stone tools made of flakes, mainly scrapers, borers, and blade-like tools. The sites are found in the valleys of Son, Narmada, and Tungabhadra River. During this phase, Pithecanthropus or Homo erectus evolved. Third, in the Upper Paleolithic phase, the climate became warm and less humid. This stage is marked by burins and scrapers. Such tools have been found in AP, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Bhopal, and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Next, the Old Stone Age sites are widely found in various parts of the Indian subcontinent and are generally located near water sources. In the Old Stone Age, food was obtained by hunting animals and gathering edible plants and tubers. Therefore, these people are called as hunter-gatherers. The hunting of large animals would have required the combined effort of a group of people with the large stone axes. Their way of life became modified with the passage of time, since they made attempts to domesticate animals, make crude pots, and grow some plants. A few Stone Age paintings have also been found on rock at Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. So ये क्वेश्चन बहुत आता है कि भीमबेटका कहाँ पर है, तो भीमबेटका in मध्य प्रदेश and other places. The period before 10,000 BC is assigned to the Old Stone Age. Then next, some of the famous sites of the Old Stone Age in India are: first, the Son Valley and Potwar Plateau on the northwest India. Second, the Sivalik Hills on the north India. Third, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. Fourth, Adamgarh Hill in Narmada Valley. Fifth, Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. Sixth, Attirampakkam near Chennai. At Chopani Mando in the Balan Valley of the Vindhyas and the middle part of the Narmada Valley, a sequence of occupation from all the three stages of the Paleolithic to Neolithic stage have been found in sequence. Chopani Mando is an important site where fossil animal bones have been found. The Son and the adjacent Balan Valley, that is in Mirzapur, UP, provide a sequence of artifacts from lower Paleolithic to Neolithic. So अब next stage हमारी चालू होती है Mesolithic और Middle Stone Age, 10,000 BC to 6,000 BC. The next stage of human life is called Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age, which falls roughly from 10,000 BC to 6,000 BC and was the transitional phase between the Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age. Various Mesolithic sites are found in the Chota Nagpur region, central India, and also south of the Krishna River. Mesolithic remains are found in Lenghang in Gujarat, Adamgarh in Madhya Pradesh, and also in some places of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. In the sites of Mesolithic age, a different type of stone tools is found. These are tiny stone artifacts, often not more than 5 cm in size. These characteristic tools of the Mesolithic age are known as microliths, pointed, cresconic blades, scrapers, etc., all made of stone. The paintings and engravings found at the rock shelters give an idea about the social life and economic activities of Mesolithic people. The hunting-gathering pattern of life continued during this period. However, there seems to have been a shift from big animal hunting to small animal hunting and fishing. The use of bow and arrow also began during this period. Also, there began a tendency to settle for longer periods in an area. Therefore, domestication of animals, horticulture, and primitive cultivation started. The last phase of this age saw the beginning of plain cultivation. Animal bones are found in these sites, and these include dog, deer, boar, and ostrich. Occasionally, burials of the dead along with some microliths and shells seem to have been practiced. Friends, we have completed Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. Now let us proceed to Neolithic Age. Neolithic Age 6000 BC to 1000 BC. A remarkable progress is noticed in human civilization in the Neolithic Age. In the world context, the New Stone Age began in 9000 BC. The only Neolithic settlement in the Indian subcontinent attributed to 7000 BC lies in Mehergarh, which is situated in Balochistan, a province of Pakistan. In India, Neolithic age is not earlier than 6000 BC, and at some places in south and eastern India, it is as late as 1000 BC. These include the Kashmir Valley, Chirand in Bihar, Belan Valley in Uttar Pradesh, and in several places of the Deccan. The important Neolithic sites are: first, Burzahom and Gofkral in Jammu and Kashmir, famous for pit dwelling, stone tools, and graveyard in house. Second, Maski, Brahmgiri, Teka Lakota in Karnataka, Payampatti in Tamil Nadu. Third, Piklihal and Halur in AP, that is Andhra Pradesh. Fourth, Garo Hills in Meghalaya. Fifth, Chirand and Sanuvar in Bihar, known for remarkable bone tools. And sixth, Amri and Kodiji. Koldi Hava in UP revealed a threefold cultural sequence: Neolithic, Chalcolithic, and Iron Age. The chief characteristic features of the Neolithic culture are the practice of agriculture, domestication of animals, polishing of stone tools, and the manufacturing of pottery. The cultivation of plants and domestication of animals led to the emergence of village communities based on sedentary life. There was a great improvement in technology of making tools and other equipments used by man. Stone tools were now polished, and these polished axes were found to be more effective tools for hunting and cutting trees. Mud brick houses were built instead of grass huts. Neolithic people knew about making fire and making pottery, first by hand and then by potter's wheel. They also painted and decorated their pottery. Pottery was used for cooking as well as storage and food grains. Large urns were used as coffins for the burial of the dead. There was also improvement in agriculture. Wheat, barley, rice, millet were cultivated in different areas at different points of time. Neolithic sites in Allahabad district are noted for the cultivation of rice in the 6th millennium BC. Domestication of sheep, goats, and cattle was widely prevalent. Cattle were used for cultivation and for transport. The people of Neolithic age used clothes made of cotton and wool. So friends, we have completed Neolithic age. Now let us proceed to Chalcolithic or Metal age. Chalcolithic or Metal age. The end of the Neolithic period saw the use of metals, of which copper was the first and a culture based on the use of stone and copper arrived. Such a culture is called Chalcolithic, which means the stone copper phase. The new technology of smelting metal ore and crafting metal artifacts is an important development in human civilization. But the use of stone tools was not given up. Some of the microlithic tools continued to be essential items. People began to travel for a long distance to obtain metal ores, which led to a network of Chalcolithic cultures, and the Chalcolithic cultures were found in many parts of India. Generally, Chalcolithic cultures had grown in river valleys. Gold was probably one of the earliest discoveries, but it served as a material for ornaments only. Important sites of this phase are spread in Rajasthan, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Bihar, MP, etc. In South India, the river valleys of the Godavari, Krishna, Tungabhadra, Pennar, and Kaveri were settled by farming communities during this period, although they were not using metals in the beginning of the Metal Age. There is evidence of copper and bronze artifacts by the end of 2nd millennium BC. Several bronze and copper objects, beads, terracotta figurines, and pottery were found at Payampalli in Tamil Nadu. The Chalcolithic people used different types of pottery, of which black and red pottery was most popular. These people were not acquainted with burnt bricks and generally lived in thatched houses. It was a village economy. The Chalcolithic age is followed by Iron Age. Iron is frequently referred to in the Vedas. The Iron Age of the southern peninsula is often related to megalithic burials. Megalith means large stone. The burial pits were covered with these stones. Such graves are extensively found in South India. Some of the important megalithic sites are Allur and Maski in Karnataka, Nagarjun Konda in Andhra Pradesh, Adit Chanalur in Tamil Nadu. Black and red pottery, iron artifacts such as hoes and sickles, and small weapons were found in the burial pits. So friends, we have completed the Stone Age. Thank you for watching. तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट चैप्टर था एंशिएंट इंडिया का, इसमें हमने कवर करा सारा स्टोन एज। नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में हम कवर करेंगे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इसे लाइक कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर कीजिए। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन भी दबाइए ताकि नए वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सकें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक आप अपना ध्यान रखें और बड़ों का आदर करें। धन्यवाद।